Do you like this? Do you like what you're seeing? This is delicious vegetable soup. It's a bit different from the normal vegetable soup you all know. It is not Efo Riro at all. This is oborowo. I'll be using spinach for cooking this. I'm using two different kind of vegetables for this. But the first one I'll be showing you now is the spinach. This spinach is really well washed. It is free from sand and dirt. I'm just going to cut it like this. I will not cut it to be too fine. And I don't want to leave the leaves whole just like that. Please don't forget to share this video. Let your friends also watch it. They might love it, you know. So the second vegetable I'll be using is kale. For this kind of vegetable soup, we can use spinach alone, but I'll be mixing this with kale. What I have here are bell pepper, habanero pepper, and onions. I'll be adding crayfish into it. That is dried washed crayfish. I added water and I blended it. I kept it aside. What I have in this pot are the proteins I'll be using. I've boiled the meat with onions and some herbs. If you want to see how I boil this, please check the comment section or the description box. You will find it there. You will see how I always boil my meat. Into this, I'm going to pour the mixture direct into the meat. The meat is 80% boiled. Now I'm going to add stockfish into it, and I will add dried fish into it as well. So I'll cover. I'm going to add Palmoil into the sauce now. After that, I'll just cover them and allow them to cook together until the meat is tender. Lovelies, you can see now the meat is done. The stockfish and the dried fish have also cooked, and they've also drank from the sauce, and everything has become one now. The sauce tastes super delicious already, but I'm just going to stir them together and add a bit of salt, seasoning to make them more yummy. And I want it more spicy, so I'm going to add chili flakes more into it. You know, I love my soup spicy. And into it, I'll be adding Locust beans, which we call ogiru, and I mix them together. Lovelies, those ingredients together with this locust beans takes it to another level. If you don't have locust beans, you can use ogiri. All right, now I covered it and allowed them to just cook together more for about 5 to 10 minutes. Lovelies, this is talking. This soup you're seeing here is super. We don't need to do much at this stage. It's now time to add those vegetables. I'll start first of all with kale. That is kale. Yes, we mix them well together. It is called Grünkohl in Germany. You can get it at any supermarket. Okay, and after that, after mixing them together, I'm now going to add spinach into it. That's the spinach. It is a bit much. Check the description box. You'll see exact measurements of everything. So I'll be adding the spinach into it bit by bit. I'll mix together. I'll add more into it and mix together. That is how I'm going to do it until everything has entered into the soup. So I'm just going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then it is done. You don't need to overcook your vegetables. Taste for salt and adjust. So wash your hands and join me. Let us rub this with pounded yam. This goes well with fufu, with eba, with rice, with semo, with amala, with tuwo. Even you can eat it with yam. Try this oborowo vegetable soup. You will love it. Thanks for watching.